Hello and welcome to this Court Times Sidebar. I'm Catherine Dolan, the Indiana Supreme Court Public Information Officer, and I am here with Judge Marla Clark of Johnson Superior 4. Welcome, Judge Clark.
Thank you.
You recently worked on a statewide project requesting that the legislature increase the amount jurors are paid for service, and your efforts were successful. Tell us about this project and why it was so important to have this increase.
I serve as the chairperson of the jury committee of the Indiana Judicial Center, and we decided that we need to make it a priority to take care of our jurors. The juror pay had not been adjusted for 25 years, and it was always a source of embarrassment when I have to tell my jurors what they were going to get paid for the service they provide. Jury service is one of the bedrock principles of our justice system. Obviously, we can't have jury trials if we don't have citizens that are able to perform that duty. And the pay was so paltry that a lot of people were not able to participate in jury service because of the low pay. So now that we've got that adjusted, I think it's going to be a better opportunity for more people to participate in the civics of our country.
Now, if you were not a judge, your first preference for another profession would be to be in some sort of a nonprofit role. And you said in your interview that we did with you that you were particularly distressed by the hopelessness that you see that poverty brings. What is it that you would want to do in a nonprofit arena?
I think I'd like to work with a nonprofit that designs interventions to help people escape poverty, whether that is micro grants or some additional mentoring or some educational opportunities in order to help people escape that cycle. It's poverty it's cyclical, and it causes people to feel disenfranchised and not able to participate in legitimate forms of creating income and pro-social activities. And so I think it creates an opportunity for some people that are going to go down the wrong path because they don't feel like that they could get ahead by playing fair.
Let's completely change tracks now and talk about something fun. Summertime, your favorite time of year, and you even have an annual kickoff celebration. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I'm so excited when winter's over that I always want to be the first on the calendar to get a summer celebration as soon as it warms up enough in May to do it. And we have all of the foods that remind me of summer. I have a crab boil with boiled potatoes and corn on the cob and fresh strawberries and homemade ice cream and watermelon and key lime pie. And we have a big party on my patio and just celebrate the fact that we made it through another winter.
Indiana winters can be long. Thanks so much for joining us for this edition of Sidebar. We certainly appreciate it, Judge. And if you'd like to learn more about Indiana judicial officers and other court initiatives, just visit us at courts.in.gov.